I wanted to take this opportunity to highlight some of the improvements that we have made here at the sanctuary. These are our new botanical description signs, which have been a very big hit with our visitors. As before we had these, there were a number of people who wanted to know the names of various plants. Now, as we have them right through the sanctuary, and we've had some very, very positive comments about it. This area is one of the new lawned areas that we've put in. You may remember that the hedge used to run along here to the side of the pavement, and there was a huge ficus tree in the background. What we have done is we have removed the hedge, trimmed and reshaped the ficus tree, and put in some grass, and I think it has made a wonderful improvement. We've also featured the boulder wall, which was hidden previously. I'm quite pleased with how this area has come out. Crotons are looking good. We reshaped the fiddlewood tree, and we have redone the garden under it. We remolded it, and put more suitable plants in. And there is a botanical sign there as well. This has made a big difference to our entrance. This is the lawn overlook area, showing the repositioning of some of the interpretive signs. And our deck, which was in phase 1 of our improvement scheme. The bridges have been redone with the plastic lumber. So here we see the first one, and we see the beginning of the new nature path, which again has been a very big hit. We've gotten very positive comments from our visitors. They think it's a major improvement. The tarpon deck as well has been rebuilt. Here are the first of our interpretive signs. We've put them in clusters. Again, paying special attention to our placing. And another botanical. I think the new pathway has a little more character to it, and is not as straight and as boring as the old boardwalk. And the level of it too is excellent. That is something that had concerned me at the start, but I think it's turned out very well. Signs on the mangroves, showing the aerial roots of the red mangrove. exiting the second bridge, and as we continue along the path. This is the first of our benches along the path. We see visitors using these a lot more regularly than they did in the past. Coming up now to the third bridge with the Egret Island in the background. Project to restore the Egret Island has started, and bags containing topsoil and young mangroves are being replanted. This view is standing on the Egret Island Bridge, looking across to the long bridge on the inner pond with the reflection in the water. Exiting the Egret Island Bridge. Again, a cluster of signs, and you will see how we have bulged the pathway so that visitors can stop and read the signs and take photographs if they wish without obstructing the progress of any other visitor. Bench number 2, this is located by the freshwater feeding tray. This is the shooting hut as seen from the pathway with the freshwater tray. And here's the observation hut looking out onto the back pond. A view of the back pond. This is the long bridge, the start of the long bridge, which leads to the shooting hut. Again, plastic wood used on all the bridges. Shot of some more hens in the inner pond. This is exiting the long bridge, and it shows the redone landscaping, the re-landscaping, which I think has come out rather well. Needs to mature a bit more, but I think when it's finished it will look extremely good. This lovely tree used to be hidden or obscured with the old pathway. As you can see, we have removed and re-landscaped the area and made it a focal point. Beneath it, we are trying to create the look of a fern forest, and we've also put in some sage, which will encourage butterflies and hummingbirds.